If a poor have right, then a society must build mechanism that discharges those rights reliably. This is a moral foundation of the institution of zakat as well. It also supports the broader welfare system that protects the basic needs, prevents starvation, and remove humiliating aspects and insecurities from the lives of those weakest in any society. And opposite to it, provides healthier life. Families become more stable and productivity rises. When basic needs are not secured, households fall into survival modes, and basic needs are point of concern for them. And survival modes reduce long-run investment in education, in health, and in skill in formation, and in increasing instability in any society. Now a question arises, who are the weak in our society? Dear audience, in these contemporary economies, the weak are not restricted to the unemployed or destitutes. They include groups with low bargaining powers, high exposures to shocks, and limited people with limited access to legal remedy. They include low-wage industrial workers, informal laborers, migrants under restrictive contracts, agriculture workers, domestic and care workers, and households trapped in debt vulnerability. These are not marginal groups. They constitute actually the productive backbone of any economy or society. They build infrastructure, sustain supply chains, keep cities functioning, and deliver essential services. Modern evidence repeatedly shows that oppression of workers and denial of labor rights in any society correlate with institutional weakness and fragility. This aligns with prophetic logic. A society is not only strengthened by capital and technology, it is strengthened by justice, because justice stabilizes the social order that make economic life better and comfortable. If the rulers remain comfortable while people starve, they destroy legitimacy. When legitimacy collapses, governance becomes coercive, and coercive governance in any society is expensive and unstable. The International Trade Union Confederation documents states, and the index report states, that systematic restrictions on collective labor rights and highlights that growing share of countries where workers have reduced or no access to justice. The World Bank likewise emphasizes that jobs and employment conditions are central to stability in fragile, conflict, and violence-affected contexts. And it is frame job creation, labor outcomes as part of reducing fragility and sustaining peace in any society. The International Labour Organization frames decent work as inseparable from inclusive economic growth and sustainable development of any country.